So we start the changing process with your current application solution. First of all, we disconnect the air pressure. After this, we disconnect the air hose from our glue applicator. Turn off the pump and switch off the melter. Now we disconnect the glue applicator, but first of all make sure that you wear your personal protective equipment. And fix the Tesla on the same bracket. After mounting the Tesla applicator, we fix the hose with the hydraulic connection and the electronic connection. The remaining cable to the machine PLC will connect it with a cable to our dot box. The cable from our dot box will connect it with the applicator. The PLC connection cable has to be connected with a start input on our dot box. The valve cable has to be connected with a dot box output. To switch to a dot mode or to dotting, it's quite easy with our dot box. So we just press this button, setup button, adjust the Tesla, go in a dot mode. We choose the stitch and repeat mode and set up the dot distance we want to reach in our application. So replacement is done. From now on we start dotting.